Hi folks, Chris Rohter from Pliant, talking to you from the Gartner IT Symposium and Expo 2022. I'm joined today by Vess Bakalov, CEO and founder of Pliant. How are you doing today, Vess?
I'm doing great. It's been such a great show. It's hard not to do well.
It's very exciting. Vess, one of the things that I think has been most engaging for the customers and prospects that have been coming by the booth is the API-driven integrations that Pliant offers. So we've got this slide up here. I'd love you to just talk a little bit about those integrations, how they work, and then the SLA that we offer that people really respond well to.
Yeah, I mean, look, in the end of the day, we're in the API orchestration and automation game. So the more connectors you have, the network effect kicks in and the value is exponential to our customers. Now, what's also important is that we work in a fast evolving ecosystem. Even though there is a great number of amazing APIs we already integrate with, we're never going to have everything because in the space of innovation, there is always going to be the next great thing. So how are we there for our customers when essentially innovation and disruption is a guaranteed constant in our lives? Well, we are offering a 3-week SLA to certify any new API that you employ in your environment. So basically you come to us tomorrow with the next great system that you want to add to your ecosystem. We would work very closely with your team. We will create the integration with the API. And to be honest, our engineers are probably going to help you build the first couple of workflows as well. So we love working with our customers hand in hand to enhance the value they get from the API ecosystems.
Excellent, thank you for that explainer. Now, one of the things that some of the customers and prospects that have been coming up and asking about is, okay, what if I've got something in my infrastructure that might not have an API readily available? Can Pliant help address that?
Yes. No, that's actually more common than we would like to admit. Pliant has several different ways of addressing systems that are not API driven, even though API first is our core approach. Number one, CLI. In our day and age, CLI is still a very powerful set of tools, and Pliant can work with CLI whether in an SSH, whether in a managed Napalm or NetMiko environment, whether with Windows PowerShell. We have the capability to work with a large number of CLI systems. Secondarily to that, we also have the ability to work within browser-based applications and do a bit of RPA. Again, not an RPA vendor. Hey, push comes to shove, we will automate with the best of them. So from that perspective, really, no matter how those systems are accessible, we work with our customers to automate in the best, most reliable way that the system allows.
And so when Pliant says full end-to-end IT orchestration, it's true.
Absolutely. No, we mean it when we say it. And then we also bring scale and speed to the game. Actually, we were testing for a partner of ours, I'm going to let you guys know, last weekend, and we got to 40 million parallel API calls. And that's when we stopped. We could have kept going, but our AWS bill was getting a little high, so we cut the testing at 40 million because we figured that's pretty good.
That's awesome. Okay, well, thanks so much for this explainer. Thanks for your time. For anybody out there who wants to learn more about Pliant, visit pliant.io today.